Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera crashing in Realme 14T. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management and scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and usage, and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.